and welcome to our second maths video of this week. So today we're going to be talking about rounding. So I know you did some rounding a few weeks ago, but this week we're not just rounding whole numbers, we're going to be rounding decimals as well. So it's a whole new challenge. So if you want to come over here. We obviously know the rhyme. So 5 to 9, climb the vine, 1 to 4, hit the floor. So what that means is if your number, well, that you're rounding, is a 5 or above, it rounds up, or if it's 4 or below, it rounds down. So first of all today, we're going to talk about rounding to a whole number. So my number is going to be 1.5. Can you see that? Okay, now what we're going to do is the number that we're rounding to, so we're rounding to 1, well, the ones column, we're going to circle, and the number next door we're going to underline. So the underlined number is the one that we're interested in. And if we think back to our grid over here, the 5 is going to round up. So that means that this 1 is going to go up and the answer is going to be 2. Okay, so I can show this to you on a number line. So at either end, in the middle, we're going to have 1.5. Over here, we're going to have 2. Over here, we're going to have 1. So we can see here that if we had 1, 4, 5. Just squeeze that in there. And this one is going to round up. There we go. So if you're not sure about rounding, which I know some of you are still finding it a bit tricky, draw it on a number line because it makes it so much easier. Okay, so there we go, there's our first whole number rounded. The next one we're going to do is 3, pen's given up, 3.3. So just like we did, we're rounded to the whole number, so let's circle that and underline next door. Okay, so that 3, do you think that 3 is going to round up or round down? Let's have a think. So it is going to round down, so that means our answer is just going to be 3. Okay, and let me prove that to you on my number line. So I think 3.3 would be about there. I've got 3 over here, 4 over here, they're my 2 options, and you can see visually without doing anything else that it is much closer to 3. So that is my answer. Okay, let's try one more, rounding to a whole number, and then we're going to round within the decimals. So this is going to be 3.8. Okay, so like we've already done, we're going to circle that ones column and underline the one in the 10th column. Okay, so that 8, is that rate 8 going to round up or down? Have a think. Okay, and it's going to round up. So the answer is going to be 4. So let's just check our work, make sure we haven't got in a muddle. Put it down 4. 3.8 is going to be about there. And you can see so easily it's definitely going to round up because it's closer to 4. Okay, right, we ready for the next challenge? So now we're going to round to 1 decimal place. So this is like getting into like more tricky maths, but I feel like we can all have a go at it. So the first number is going to be 1.34. Now we're rounding to 1 decimal place. That means once we finish the rounding, I just want to have 1 number after my decimal point. So 1 number in the 10th column. So we need to get rid of anything that is after the 10th column. So that means let's circle that 10th column and underline the 100th column. So now that 4, really easy. Does 4 round up or down? Okay, it rounds down. So that means the 3 is going to stay the same and our answer will be 1.3. Okay. Right, I think you probably all have got that. Let's try another one. I should have brought home a whiteboard rubber. Oh well. Right, next one is 4.38. So like we just said, we're rounding to 1 decimal point, so we only want a number in the 10th column. We don't want anything in the 100th column. So let's circle that 3, underline the 8. Now have a think, will that 8 round up or down? Okay, it's going to round up, isn't it? Because it's above 5. So that means this 3 is also going to go up. So the answer will be 4.4. Okay, can you see here how we've just got one decimal place now? Lovely. Okay, and then the last one we're going to do is this one. 9.29. Okay, so we just want one decimal place left. Let's circle our 10th column. If you need to recap the place value columns, you can re-watch the video from Monday. So let's have a look at this 9. Now, is that 9 going to round up or down? It's going to round up, isn't it? Because it's above 5. So that means our 2 is going to go up to a 3. And our answer is going to be 9.3. There we go. So I know rounding is really tricky, but I feel like you're all really awesome at it and can have a go. And remember, if you're not sure, just draw a number line. Number lines make everything so much easier. Okay, good luck. Well done, guys.